Hey, Slade Priest here, the Hunting Land Man. Welcome to Little Falls. Now, y'all have seen us talk about Little Falls before, but this place is truly special. The owners have done a great job of keeping this place in great shape. The food plots are planted. The lodge that sits on top of the Buffalo River is unbelievable. 4,000 square foot lodge sitting on its own pond right on the Buffalo River. So you've got the Buffalo River, Silver Creek that makes two giant waterfalls right off the front porch of the lodge. There is no other place like Little Falls. The man cave, it's a selling point in its own. It is the coolest place you can hang out, watch the game, cook, reminisce after a good hunt. They've got skinning sheds, they got equipment barns, they got a guest cottage, they got a place where a caretaker could stay if you wanted a caretaker. Food plots, I'm talking about giant food plots. This one behind me is 5-6 acres overlooking this lake. They've got a 9-acre food plot called the golf course. Giant timber all up along the Buffalo River, good pine plantations throughout. This is a special place. There's no other place like Little Falls, and if you've ever thought about buying a place in Wilson County that would wow just everyone, this is it.